Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be looking at BONK price update. A lot has changed since our last BONK price update video. As you can see, BONK is currently in a healthy recovery phase from the last dip we got. We're going to be talking about the BONK price on the daily time frame. We're going to be looking at the BONK liquidation heat map. There's a a lot of important stuff going on the BONK liquidation heat map. So paying attention to CoinMarketCap, BONK is up. According to the data CoinMarketCap has provided, BONK is up plus 4%, plus 4. According to the data on CoinMarketCap, BONK is up almost 5% in the last 24 hours. The price of BONK is currently sitting at 0.402454. We are currently at $1.7 billion market cap. That's massive, like seriously. We are currently ranked number 50th position out of 10,000 active cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap. Trading volume is up plus 15% in the last 24 hours. We are currently at $250 million in trading volume, which is massive if you ask me, like seriously. And we are currently ranked number 27th position out of over 10,000 active cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap. That's massive. Now, if you're paying attention to the update released by BONK is currently ranked number 10th position with a market cap as at then of $1.5 billion market cap. Now, BONK is ranked number 10th position out of the 10 best performing cryptocurrencies with a market cap over $1 billion. So that's massive. Like, sooner or later, you're going to begin to see BONK in the top 10, top 15 cryptocurrencies available in the crypto space. BONK is currently in the top 50. In a full-blown bull market where we might see $10 billion market cap, $20 billion market cap for BONK. Don't underestimate BONK. Now let's just talk about the chart real quick. We talked about these charts in our last video. A lot has changed since our last price update video on the chart. We came close to this liquidity pool between 0.4028 and also 0.4030. And we got a correction from there, but currently we are headed back to that zone. We are currently trading at around 0.402468. We are left with 7 hours 39 minutes for this daily candle to close. So the moment BONK is approaching this liquidity pool, taking out that liquidity positions, that liquidation positions there, flipping it into a support, then it's going to be a massive all-time high for BONK. The reason why I said that is, let's just pay attention to the liquidation heat map, what the liquidation heat map is saying. If you're paying attention to the BONK liquidation heat map, we have over $4 million worth of position around 0.4027 and also 0.4028 zone to get taken out. Now, those positions are going to get wiped out. The liquidation position tallies with the position we currently have, tallies with the position, the area we currently have as our liquidity pool here, which is between 0.4028 and also 0.4030. So sooner or later, the moment we are able to flip this zone into a support, this liquidity zone here into a support, then just expect a massive all-time high for BONK price. Let's just talk about the overall cryptocurrency market sentiment real quick. We are currently at 52%. Yesterday was fear, which is 33%. Last week was fear, which is 28%. So now we are currently at the neutral zone, which is above 50%. You understand? So overall crypto market right now is currently in an indecisive stage. We are currently neutral. People don't know whether they should continue holding or they should sell, or the market is going to pump or dump. The indecisiveness of the market began when BTC had a drastic pump to the upside in the last 2 days. I think it started on the 13th thereabout when there was a failed assassination attempt on the life of the next president of the United States, President Trump. So we thank God he's doing okay, and my condolence to the family of those who lost their loved one in the rally that day. So we got a drastic move for BTC to the upside. A lot of developers began to launch meme coin upon meme coin, naming it Trump ear stealing, blah 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 blah. So that pump that happened in BTC wasn't expected. A lot of people weren't expecting that pump. Even I myself, I wasn't expecting that pump. I have to be sincere. But you know, Donald Trump is pro crypto. So what do you expect? So the market reacted to the failed assassination attempt on his life to the upside. That was what brought BTC to over $63,000. Now let's even talk about the BTC chart right now. So this is the chart. We've talked about this chart and each of the correction, what usually happen. Now we've corrected and we've pumped over 18% so far from the low. The low was around $53,550 and we've gone as high as $63,259 for the price of BTC. Now the truth of the matter is we have now approached a resistance zone. This is the resistance zone around 63k. There's a resistance zone around 63k. We came all the way, we tapped into that liquidity pool around that resistance zone. We got slight correction to the downside. Now if we are not able to reclaim, to conquer and flip that 63k zone into a support, then BTC is likely to come down and retest 60k once again. Remember, I told you guys when BTC was below here that if we are not able to flip the 60k zone into a support, then I'm going to remain bearish for BTC. But as long as we are in between the 60k zone and 67k zone for BTC, there's no cause for alarm at all. Like seriously. So we need to see at least two more bullish daily candle close above the 60k to confirm this reclaiming of the 60k level before we can start talking about the 72k. 72k is coming sooner than you think. And before this year runs out, we should see 100k BTC. So this is the BTC dominance on the daily time frame. We are currently at 54.98%. Now, if you paid attention here, if you're paying attention to the chart, you'll notice this trend line is now acting as a resistance for the price of BTC dominance on the daily time frame. We pumped all the way to that trend line, which was around 55.55% zone. We got a massive correction from there. Now we are currently pumping to the upside for the BTC dominance. We might still pump into the 55, not might, we will pump into the 55% zone and still get a massive correction from there. So by the time you see the BTC dominance rising and your altcoin bleeding, do not panic, because we are still definitely going to get a massive correction from the 55% zone for the BTC dominance. Likewise too, same thing is happening on the weekly time frame. We've successfully closed 3 weekly candles below the trend line. Like I've said times without number, the moment you start seeing 52% for the BTC dominance, that's an indication that we are in the early stage of the altcoin season. And the moment you see 47%, it is too late already. If you are not into any altcoin position, you might have missed out of the rally, because that 47%, the altcoin market should be in a parabolic run by then. And if we drop to 42%, which is my final price target for the BTC dominance drop, is going to be explosive for the overall cryptocurrency market. Don't forget to like this video, please. Smash the like button if you haven't already. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. Like this video if you haven't already. Once again, share this video with your friends and family. Let's just talk about this overall BTC chart real quick. Now, this is the overall BTC chart since the inception of BTC. And if you paid attention here, after every halving, we usually get a massive price pump to the upside, except if this cycle is going to be different. But I don't think this cycle is going to be an exception to the pattern that has played out previously on the BTC price. Now, if you're paying attention, after 2020 halving, BTC pumped almost 600% to the upside. After 2016 halving, BTC pumped almost 3,000% to the upside. Same thing happened in 2012. After the first BTC halving, we got almost 9,000% pump to the upside. The biggest question is what is happening right now on 2024, because if you're paying attention to the chart, nothing really has happened in 2024. The real move hasn't even started, because BTC even broke the all-time high before we dive into the the halving of 2024. So the move is coming. You have to hold on to your horses very well in order not to miss out. Do not panic sell. This chart should be more like a guide, a confluence for you to know when to exit the market. And as you can see, according to the chart, nothing has happened. The pump hasn't even started. The post-halving pump is yet to begin. Please and please, Don't lose your position. Peace out.